Hi everyone. How are you, my dear children? Hope you all are doing well. In my last video lecture, we have discussed acceleration and today we are going to discuss equations of motion. Equations of motion. Which type of motion? Uniformly accelerated motion. And why we are studying this? Actually, these equations of motion gives the relationship between the initial velocity, final velocity, time taken, acceleration and distance. Okay, you can find out easily if you use this equation of motions, you can find out all these quantities. Okay, let us discuss first equation of motion. First equation of motion. What is this equation? This equation is V is equal to U plus AT. And why we are studying this? How it is helping us? It gives the velocity acquired by a body in time t. First equation of motion gives the velocity in time t acquired by a body, or gives the velocity in time t acquired by the body. Okay? How to find out? Actually, I am going to discuss today all mathematical derivations, all mathematical proof. After finishing all the mathematical proof, we will see it in the graphical method. Okay? Let us consider a body is having initial velocity u. Initial velocity is u. Final velocity is v, and the body is accelerated with uniform acceleration a. Okay, and to reach the final velocity it is taking time t. Okay children, a body is having initial velocity u and it is having an uniform acceleration of a, so that after time t it can attain the velocity, final velocity v. Okay, now how to get it? Now I am proving this. First equation of motion, v is equal to u plus at. Okay, first equation. What is acceleration? Acceleration is change in velocity by time taken, that is final velocity minus initial velocity divided by time taken, children. Okay, so what is this acceleration? So acceleration is a is equal to final velocity b initial velocity u by t. Now cross multiply, so it will be at v minus u. Okay children, now rearrange. At plus v u is equal to v, or you can write v is equal to u plus at. So this is your first equation of motion. Okay, if any three quantities, now see 1, 2, 3, 4 variables are there. If any three quantities are given, you can find out the fourth quantity. Okay children, and you can use this relation for not only for acceleration but for retardation also. But you have to give the sign. For retardation it is negative sign, children. Don't forget. Okay, otherwise you will get wrong result. Hope it is easy. First equation is easy. Now we will discuss the second equation of motion. what the second equation is giving? Second equation. What is the second equation? S is equal to ut plus half at square. What does it give? It gives the distance travelled by a body in time t. It gives the distance travelled by a body in time t. Okay. Now what is this S? Now what we have to consider? Suppose a body is having initial velocity u, okay, and uniform acceleration a for time t, so that its final velocity becomes b, and let the distance travelled by the body is s. Let the distance travelled by body is s. Other parameter as it is like the previous one. Okay? Okay. Now what we need to do? We know what is average velocity. Can you people tell me what is average velocity? I have already discussed. Average velocity is nothing but initial velocity plus final velocity. Initial velocity plus final velocity divided by 2. Okay children? So you can write average velocity is equal to, what is your initial velocity? Already I have told. So initial velocity will be how much? U plus v divided by 2. Clear? Okay. Then what is distance travelled? Distance travelled will be how much? Please tell me children, what is distance travelled? Already we have studied. Velocity divided is equal to distance, or you can say s by t. So what is distance travelled? Average velocity into time taken. Okay. So we will write u plus v divided by 2 into t. Is it clear children? So this is your distance travelled, or you can say s. Okay? Okay. So let me erase this. So what we got? Let me write over here. S is equal to u plus v divided by 2 into t. Can you people see this? Okay. From here now I will move further with the equation. Okay. Now what is v children? You know v is equal to nothing but u plus at. Just now we got from the first equation. This into t divided by 2. Can I write like this? Okay. So how much it is? 2u plus at into t divided by 2. Okay. So I'll open the bracket now. 2ut plus at square divided by 2. This is nothing but your s only. Now tell me what is s. Can I write ut? Okay. 2ut by 2. So 2ut by t plus at square by 2. So I have now written this equation separately. So what I can write now? This is s is equal to 2 get cancelled, ut plus half at square. Is it clear children? This mathematical proof. What is s? It is the distance travelled by a body in time t. U is your initial velocity, t is the time taken, and a is the acceleration. Okay? Is it clear? So this equation is used to calculate the distance travelled by a body. Hope I am clear with these two equations. So in my next video lecture I am going to discuss the third equation of motion because it is little bit lengthier. Okay children, please concentrate, focus and study. If any doubt, please leave in a comment section box, so that leave something, write something. If you are not getting, then I can address that. Okay children? Okay. Take care. Thank you for watching.